This spectacular calendar has been sent to PrintWeek by friends of PrintWeek, Print Vision, that is based out of Ahmedabad. And we are really thankful for this amazing gift. The title page that says Paisa Ye Paisa comprises of 250 GSM FBB board, 4-color printing, silver foil, micro embossed gold foil, embossing and plasto sticker on logo. Moving on to April, we have Gloom and Doom. This comprises of canvas cloth, 4-color printing, gold cold foil and maroon cold foil. Moving on to the month of May, which talks about sale now, think later, is 300 GSM FBB board, 4-color UV printing, silver foil, embossing and laser etched MDF title. What makes it stand out is the laser etched MDF title. Moving on to the month of June, we have from Paris to Perish. This is of 300 GSM Met PET FBB board, 5-color UV printing, thermal matte lamination, gold cold foil, die punching with pull-out. The pull-out is here. And this is the USP for the month of June. And moving on to July, the title says Streams of Dreams. Printed on a Fedrigoni Stucco Old Mill 320 GSM, 4-color UV printing, hot foil and embossing. Moving on to August, the title is Signals Crossed, Fortunes Lost. Comprises of 300 GSM art card, 4-color UV printing, velvet lamination, gold cold foil and emboss pot UV. As you can see, the embossing is here. Taking this ahead, the month of September, Stocks, Shocks and Hard Knocks. This comprises of again 300 GSM art card, 4-color conventional printing, matte lamination, sensation UV, abrasive UV and pop-up pasting. The pop-up pasting is here. Taking this further, the month of October. October talks about the land of rising prices. Done on a 300 GSM Met PET FBB board, 5-color UV printing and thermal matte lamination. Moving to November, the big bull. It also states risk hai to ishq hai. Done on a Rio Star Craft 240 GSM, 4-color UV printing, screen printing and silver laser cold foil. The month of December says Dot Gone Bubble. This is done on a Fedrigoni Constant Jade 120 GSM, 4-color and UV printing. The month of January begins with House of Cards and there are two parts to it. Part 1 is done on 300 microns clear plastic sheet and 5-color UV printing. The other part, as you can see, is done on a 300 GSM FBB board, Met PET, 5-color UV printing plus flood gloss UV. So February talks about blockchain and broken dreams. This is done on a 300 GSM FBB Met PET board. This 5-color UV printing, online drip and emboss. For the month of March, the title is Silicon Circus and this is done on a 250 GSM art card, 4-color conventional printing, sensation UV, high sparkle and abrasive UV. This is the Print Vision calendar, Paisa Ye Paisa. The concept was done by Faliith Pandyaa. The page ideation was done by an imaging software. Designing and planning was done by Creative Crazy. The pre-press was rendered by the Print Vision studio in Ahmedabad. The printing job was rendered on a Mitsubishi Diamond 3000, RMGT 6-color UV press and screen printing, and post-press was rendered by the in-house binding department of Print Vision. This calendar is a carefully curated collection of humanity's greatest financial blunders, but done the Print Vision way. This calendar is all about texture, detail, finish, and form, the kind of print that refuses to be ignored in a world that scrolls past everything. this calendar will definitely not make you wiser. History suggests otherwise. A shout out to the Print Vision team.